In this video, you'll learn how to sell art on Stan Store. This guide explains how to create a digital product listing for your artwork, making it available for customers to purchase and download effortlessly. Begin by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Look for the section labeled My Store on the left side of the screen. Once you locate this, click on it to access your store settings and product management options. Next, find the button labeled Plus Add Product within the My Store section. This button is usually positioned at the top right corner of the interface. After clicking this, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the option for digital product. Click on that to proceed with creating your new product listing. Once you are in the digital product setup, you will need to enter the product name. Make sure to include the word art in the title. For example, you can input digital art print sunset. This title will help customers identify your product. After specifying the product name, you will need to write a detailed description. In this section, highlight essential details about your artwork. Begin with the type of art, such as whether it is a digital print illustration or concept art. Next, specify the file format your art is available in, which could be JPEG, PNG, PDF, or zip. Additionally, include any usage instructions clarifying whether the art is for personal use or if it is printable. Following the description, set the price for your digital art product. Ensure that the price reflects the value of your art while remaining competitive in the market. Once you have established the price, it is time to upload the art file or files. Look for the upload button or drag and drop area to add your artwork to the listing. After the upload is complete, take a moment to review all the details you've entered, ensuring everything is accurate. Once you are satisfied with your product listing, click the publish button. This action will make your digital product visible to customers. Customers will now see a dedicated digital product page for your art ready for them to buy and download. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.